In my last tutorial I have already given a demonstration how to install WordPress on your local machine. So in this tutorial I'll teach you how to develop a theme from scratch. So before that you need to understand the typical WordPress folder structure. So this is the root of my WordPress file and folder structure. Your theme, you can find it inside WP content and themes folder. You can see there are already 3 folders present here. Now let's create my custom theme folder. Let's say I will name it as my custom theme. Okay, so as of this you can see this folder is already empty. Now let me copy files of any of the existing themes. You can copy files from any of those existing themes. Let me copy the latest files from 2017 themes, 2017 theme, copy and paste it inside my custom theme folder. Now I need to have a HTML design ready that I should use for my theme. For that purpose I have already a HTML, and you can check the new design HTML view of the new HTML. Okay, that's how the HTML looks like. Okay, and I'll copy all those files from here, all the HTML files, and I'll again get back to my working WordPress directory and into my custom theme, and I will paste everything there. Okay, that's it. Now I need to check the backend. How does that looks like? Before that, to clear it out everything. Okay, get it. Okay, so localhost / WordPress tutorials. So this is how it looks like. And if I get the backend, WP admin, appearance and theme sections, here you can find all the themes, and this is the theme that I have already developed. I mean, I have already copied from 2017 file. I've just freshly created theme, and it shows like 2017 / my custom theme. So what I need to change is I need to change my theme name and the screenshot of my theme. So in order to change the name of my theme, I need to edit the style.css file in the root. So that you need to edit this style.css file. Let me open it up in an editor, and so there it is. A lot of things has been written there. You can see it's written the name of the theme. Let me change it, the name of my theme. Let me change it to my custom theme, and let's say the name of the author, let me change it to something whatever I wish, and the description I too will change it, custom WordPress theme. Okay, that's it. So now take out everything else apart from this section. So this is what you need. Now take out everything else. Okay, so now if you go and refresh the backend, you can see it's showing only my custom theme. Okay, that's it. Now you wish to change this screenshot, no problem. Take a screenshot of your existing HTML design. Screenshot.png, name it, and save it to, I saved it to pictures, and I get into pictures, there it is. Just cut it, get back to your existing theme directory, and there it is. There is already a screenshot.png present. Delete that and paste your new screenshot file. Okay, now go to the backend, refresh. It's not coming because of it stored the cache. It's coming from the cache memory. Now delete the cache, clear data. Okay, can you see? Now that works. Okay, now check the front end. Now check the front end of the theme, my website, and this still looked messed up, and actually I have not done anything yet. I have just copied the files from my HTML and 2017 theme. So this is my default HTML. I need to open it up with Sublime Text. This is the index file, and apart from that I too need to modify the footer, the index, and the header.php file. Okay, so now you have copied the header, footer, and index.php file, and this is your HTML file. Now you need to copy sections from your HTML file, and you need to arrange them into header, index, and footer.php file. So what actually holds is the header.php file. It holds all the sections that will appear in the top of your website. Let's say for example, if I view this index.html, my design, that is my design, okay, so it looks like something like this. So let's say you can call it your header of your website, up to banner. This is your body of your website, and this section is the footer of your website. Okay, so let me copy the files from index.html to header.php. Whichever sections I wish to put in the header section, I'll take from here and put it in header. Let's say I'll take the header up to the banner section, copy. So I'll take out everything else that is already present, and yes, so paste it. Okay, now you also have a CSS file that you need to copy, remove all the other CSS files that is already present, and paste it. Now go to your index, copy those sections up to footer, copy it, and those sections should come in my home page. So I'll put that in my home page. Only two things I left is get header and get footer. You need to have this. Then inside that I put my HTML files. Then if I go to my own HTML, I have left out with the footer section. Let me copy that too. Go into the footer.php, take out everything except the WP footer function and the body HTML tags. Okay, that's it. Now if I go and refresh the front end of my website, this is how it looks like. It looks like it's missing the CSS, the design and everything. So I need to arrange that too. So in order to do that, you need to call that in a certain way. In WordPress you can call it easily by just calling this function php blog info and template underscore directory. That's it. Now browse the front end again. See, the design is well arranged now, but still some sections are missing. Like here in the HTML there were two images, you can see them here. Okay, those two images are missing because the path has been broken. So you need to give them path to the same way I gave the path to CSS file. You can give it to the images and JavaScript files too. So the images are, one image is here and the other image is here. Okay, so now refresh the front end. Still coming. Seems like we have missed something. Yeah, sorry, I did that in the HTML file wrongly. I need to do that in the PHP file, index.php file. There it is, and there it is. Okay, now go and refresh it. Okay, so that worked. So now you have developed a custom theme and the home page is ready. Now the question arises, those menu sections are still static, this banner is also static, this section is also static, these all sections are static. How to make them dynamic? In order to make them dynamic, you need to develop sections in the back end, and so that it can be easily controlled. User can easily control them from the back end. Whatever changes he or she makes in the back end, that will easily reflect on the front end. And I'll demonstrate that in my next video, how to do that. Thanks for watching. And before saying a goodbye to you for now, this video, before you come in to see this video, you need to watch the first part, that is how to install WordPress. So first of all, you need to learn how to install WordPress, then you can create this sample theme. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.